A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. So, you all are excited? Should we start the second semester? Today, we are going to start the second semester. Yes, we are going to start a new chapter. And you know what is the name of the chapter? Your fourth chapter, that is computer mouse. See, this is a type of a computer mouse. Moving on, let's see what we will see today. Recap of today's class. First, we will see why do we need a mouse, using a mouse, holding a mouse, mouse pointer and mouse actions. Moving on. Okay, first of all, we will see the introduction part of computer mouse. A mouse is an important part of the computer. It has the following features. ये बहुत ही important part है computer का. It is small and has 2 or 3 buttons on it. ये बहुत छोटा सा है and it has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It usually has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel at the center. As you can all see, this is a small scroll wheel at the center. The scroll wheel helps to move up and down a page. This is called scrolling. ये जो छोटा सा wheel है हमको क्या help करता है पेज में ऊपर और नीचे जाने के लिए, and this is known as scrolling. Okay? It runs on electricity. It has a wire which is connected to the CPU. It has a wire also and it is connected to the CPU. Next, why do we need a mouse? Why do we need a mouse? A mouse helps us to point and click on any item. क्या करता है? To point and click on any item in the computer. A mouse helps us to select any item on the monitor. कोई भी item अपन select कर सकते हैं with the help of a mouse. A mouse helps us to draw a picture. Yes, it is used to draw pictures also, to do drawings also. Then a mouse helps us to play games on the computer. I know you all are using this and you all are playing games. See, this is a type of a mouse. This is known as left button, the scroll wheel, the right button, and this is a mouse pad. This is a mouse pad जिस पे हम mouse रखते हैं and we work. It is known as a mouse pad. Understood? See, this is the left button, this is the right button, and in the center is a scroll wheel. Clear? Next, using a mouse, the mouse should always be placed on the mouse pad. हमने देखा हमेशा उसको mouse pad पे ही रखना चाहिए. Mouse pad is a surface for placing and moving a computer mouse. The buttons of the mouse should always be pointed towards the computer. It becomes easy to use the mouse this way. The mouse should not be turned sideways. जो mouse का यहाँ का section है, it should be pointed towards the computer and it should not be moved sideways. ऐसे ऐसे हमको उसको move नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर हम उसको एक ही position में रखेंगे तो हम easily use कर सकते हैं mouse को. Okay? Next is holding a mouse. How we should hold the mouse? Look at the picture of your left and right hands. Notice how the mouse is held. First of all, we will look at this picture. See, this finger is known as index finger, okay? And it should be placed like this. And this is the left mouse button. देखो, index finger कहाँ पर है? हमारे left mouse button पे है. कहाँ पर है? हमारे left mouse button पे index finger होती है. And this is the scroll wheel. On the right button is our middle finger. See, this is the right button and here is my middle finger. I hold the mouse, I am holding the mouse with the left hand. Now, if I am holding the mouse with the right hand, can you see the difference? है ना? मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड से होल्ड किया था माउस, अभी मैंने राइट हैंड से होल्ड किया है. ओके, दिस इज द राइट button. I am holding it with this is my index finger, and here is my middle finger on the left mouse button. Understood the difference? Okay, जो आप लेफ्ट से पकड़ते हो तो ये डिफरेंस होता है, एंड इफ यू आर होल्डिंग द माउस विद द राइट हैंड, दिस इज द डिफरेंस. सी, नाउ वी विल लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑल्सो. नाउ लुक एट द फिंगर्स गिवन बिलो. डू यू फाइंड एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इमेजेस with respect to the manner in which the mouse is held? Just now I saw you the difference. Okay, left hand ऐसे mouse पकड़ेगा and the right hander will hold the mouse like this. Clear? Difference पता चला? Okay, shall I move forward? The next is how to hold a mouse. See, place your index finger on the left mouse button. Place your index finger. See, this is my index finger on the left mouse button. This is the left mouse button and this is my index finger. Place the middle finger on the right mouse button. This is the right mouse button and this is my middle finger. Hold the mouse lightly and rest योर पाम ऑन द माउस. एकदम लाइटली अपन को होल्ड करना है एंड मेरा पूरा पाम क्या है, इस माउस पे है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, माउस पॉइंटर. नाउ व्हाट इज माउस पॉइंटर? द एरो दैट यू सी ऑन द मॉनिटर इज कॉल्ड द माउस पॉइंटर. ये छोटा सा एरो आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज नोन एज द माउस पॉइंटर. The mouse helps the pointer to move. With the help of the mouse, वो जो pointer होगा वो हमारे monitor पे move करेगा. जहाँ जहाँ अपन mouse लेके जाएंगे, जैसे move करेंगे, the pointer will also move. When we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves on the monitor in the same direction. Understood? As I have told you. Next, mouse action. There are 2 or 3 buttons on the mouse. We have studied this. Okay, the button on the left hand side is called the left button. जो बटन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे होगा उसको लेफ्ट बटन बोलेंगे, एंड द बटन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड इज कॉल्ड द राइट बटन. जो बटन राइट साइड पे होगा हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे, राइट बटन. By clicking the buttons, the user tells the computer what to do. जब हम लोग जैसे ही क्लिक करते हैं with the help of the mouse, the computer knows कि हमको क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म करने हैं. There are 2 types of clicking, single click and double click. This we will study in our next part. Now what's next? Let us see. Answer time. Now I will ask you a question. You have to tell me. Come on fast. Which finger must be placed on the left mouse button? Tell me fast. Very good. It is index finger. Next. What do we call the small arrow moving on the monitor? हमने अभी देखा था, उस छोटे से arrow को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Mouse pointer. Very good. Next one. How many buttons are there on the mouse? कितने buttons होते हैं? अभी मैम ने आपको दिखाया था, ये रहा mouse. There are 2 or 3 buttons on a mouse. The next one and the last one is action time. Now this is the action time on page number 38. You have to join the dots, okay, with the help of the pencil. Then ये आपको boxes fill करने हैं. Okay, you have to say it is a left mouse button or this is a right mouse button और क्या है, आपको खुद ही चूज करना है. See, 3 blanks are given. मैं आपको आंसर से बता देती हूँ, बट आपको प्लेस करने हैं करेक्ट आंसर इन द करेक्ट ब्लैंक. The first one will be the left mouse button, the second one will be the right mouse button, and the third one will be the scroll wheel. Now you have to decide कौन सा left button होगा and कौन सा right button होगा. Understood? Clear? We will meet in the next part of this video. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.